Hello and welcome. This is Disha Maishri and you're watching The Odd Train. I'm back with another interesting news about the North Korea. It's about the North Korea's food shortage and food crisis. North Korea's Kim Jong-un has stated publicly that the country is facing a food shortage, a rare admission for the country's leader, and who has blamed that this shortage is due to the pandemic and a recent typhoon. Let's discuss about this story in detail. Last year, speaking at an anniversary event of the Workers' Party of Korea, Kim urged his people to remain firm in the face of the tremendous challenges posed by the pandemic, and one of which was the food shortage any time to occur in the future. Blame it on the aftermath of floods, typhoons or pandemic, North Korea is going through an acute food crisis wherein the food prices have been as high as bananas selling for $45, which is equal to 3,335 rupees per kilogram, a packet of black tea for $70, which is equal to 5,190 rupees, and a pack of coffee for $100, which is equal to 7,414 rupees. Now you know how serious the situation of food crisis is in North Korea. According to a state-run news agency, Korean Central News Agency, as the severe food crisis hits the kingdom, the supreme leader Kim Jong-un has accepted that the situation is tense as the country struggles with an acute food shortage. While expressing his views, the supreme leader said, "The people's food situation is now getting tense as the agricultural sector failed to fulfill its grain production plan due to the damage by typhoon last year." According to the media reports, the worsening situation of North Korea is due to the failed agricultural output. As per another report of United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, North Korea is going through a food shortage of approximately 860,000 tons. The question is North Korea self-sufficient? Well, the answer is simply no. Because the country does not produce all the food it needs, and it heavily relies on neighboring China to mainly meet its food requirements. Kim's response to COVID-19 has made North Korea even more isolated, leading to food shortages that are likely to impact millions of people. North Korea was one of the first countries to respond to the COVID-19 outbreak by closing its borders in January 2020. It is believed that the COVID-19 border closure has affected the North Korean economy even more than the sanctions, resulting in a more than 50% decrease in trade with China compared to 2018. The border closure has resulted in a lack of access to the agricultural materials such as fertilizer and machinery, making it even hard for North Koreans to have a sufficient grain harvest. Additionally, food imports and humanitarian aid are not being allowed due to the lockdown. While major restrictions on borders, domestic travel, and imports are being imposed by the leader, overcoming the food shortage remains a matter of the concern for the nation. Globally, North Korea has been one of the most secretive nations, and they have also maintained the fact that the country has not witnessed a single case of COVID-19. Well, we don't know what the truth is. Well, this is not the first time that North Korea is going through such an acute food crisis. One such instance is the North Korean famine of 1990s. The North Korean famine, also known as the Arduous March or the March of Suffering, was a period of mass starvation together with general economic crisis from 1994 to 1998. While Kim Jong-un has asked for a speedy solution for this crisis, it still remains unclear as to how the nation will overcome this hurdle given that the borders still remain closed due to the COVID-19. Already there is a lot of suffering in the world, so let's just hope that the people of North Korea find a solution and that they don't have to starve anymore. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Stay home and stay safe. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and keep watching our channel for more such informative news. Thank you.